Hey guys, now we're going to learn how to draw a baseball. You're going to need a medium brush loaded up with white, draw the circle, fill it in, then you're going to need a detail brush loaded up with red, on either side of the ball you're going to draw a curved line, if it's not perfectly symmetrical, don't fret. Now you're going to do the stitches, and that's little lines kind of angled inward on either side of your curved line. And you're going to do that for both of them. Once you have your stitches, take another detail brush, load it up with black, and you're going to do your outline. And there you have it, a baseball.